Hey guys, Cryptodad here again, and I just wanted to do a quick video on how to cash out Stellar Lumens or XLM from your wallet to an exchange so you can do a quick cash out. So let's jump in. All right, so the most important thing to remember is that if you are sending your Stellar Lumens from your wallet to an exchange, you need to use the tag. So if you're making a deposit on Coinbase, for example, they're going to give you an address with a tag. So if I say I want to receive crypto into my Coinbase account and then choose Stellar, you'll notice that they give me an address and a memo, sometimes called a tag. You need both of these. So if you're sending Stellar from the exchange to your wallet, you only need the address. I know that's kind of where the confusion comes in. But let me show you how to send properly to an exchange. So the first thing we'll do is get the address. We'll paste it in here. And this is the part that might be confusing. Where do you put the memo? Well, they have a little pull down here. So just pull it down. Now there's a lot of different choices here. I always use memo text. That's the easiest one. It always works for me. I don't know about any of those others. They look kind of strange to me. But perhaps some other exchanges might require the other formats. But Coinbase only needs this little number here, basically. We'll copy it into our clipboard. We'll go back over here and we'll just paste it in as text. Now, it might work as an ID or something else, but I've always used memo text. We'll hit continue here, and then we'll put in the amount that we want to send. I think maybe I'll just do 300, leave some in the wallet. You can use dollars or amounts of XLM, whichever suits you better. We'll hit continue. And then, of course, we're going to need to authorize this outgoing transaction on our device. So I'm going to connect my Ledger Stax. All right, and once I enter my PIN and the device opens up, Ledger Live will ask me to open the Stellar app. All right, so I'll just hit the open. All right, and now it's going to ask me to review the transaction. I'll swipe, and I get the confirmation screen. Swipe again, see the address I'm sending to, and then the last step is to sign the transaction. So I just need to touch that check mark and hold it until the progress bar has gone along the other side. And there we go. Transaction signed. All right, your hardware wallet might be different, but basically you just scroll through the information and authorize the transaction. Sometimes you're clicking two buttons, sometimes you're tapping a touch screen. All right, and we can view details if we want to over here on the side, and even check out the Stellar Lumens blockchain using this link. It'll take us over and show us our transaction on the Stellar blockchain. And then we can go over to Coinbase and just wait for that to come in. Usually over in Portfolio is a good place to wait for your transaction. Just got an email alert that my deposit had hit my account. Just do a quick refresh and you can see that the Stellar is in my Coinbase account. Now, in order to cash out, you can click right here on the letters, which will take you to sort of the Stellar account interface. But if you click on the bar here, it'll take you to the trading interface. And I'm just going to do a quick market order. I'll go to sell. I'll keep it at market and say I want to sell it all. I'm going to get a $2.25 trading fee when I do this. And then we can go back to Portfolio. And you can see that trading result has been added to my US dollar balance. I had some in there earlier, as you saw. Now to cash out, we'll just hit transfer again, do a cash withdrawal, and choose the bank that you wish to withdraw to. You can do an instant with fees. The fees are pretty high for instant withdrawals. I like to use the free method, which takes 1 to 3 business days, but in practice, it's usually there by the end of the business day if I do it early enough. It's about 10 a.m. here now. So I'll do the free option. I'll hit preview. It's going to give me a rundown. I don't get any withdrawal fee when I do this. So really the only fee there was my $2.25 trading fee. The blockchain fee for Stellar was negligible. I believe it was less than a penny. So we'll hit withdraw cash now, and we're done. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click. That will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.